Here is a book review of Meditation by Marcus Aurelius in 5 parts with practical tips you can implement right now in your life. Let's dive in. Part 1. The importance of rational thinking and virtue. Marcus Aurelius emphasizes the importance of rational thinking and living according to virtue. He advises to keep the mind calm and free from disturbances by focusing on the present and accepting things beyond our control. Practical tips. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on what you are doing right now. Accept what you cannot change. Recognize and accept that some things are beyond your control. Finally, cultivate virtue. Aim to develop virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance in your daily actions. Part 2. Understanding impermanence and death. Aurelius reflects on the transient nature of life and the inevitability of death. He suggests that by accepting impermanence, we can live more fully and with less fear. Practical tips. Contemplate mortality. Regularly remind yourself that life is fleeting to prioritize what truly matters. Let go of attachments. Reduce attachment to material possessions and outcomes. Finally, live meaningfully. Focus on meaningful activities and relationships that bring fulfillment. Part 3. Interconnectedness and the common good. Aurelius discusses the interconnectedness of all people and the importance of working for the common good. He encourages empathy and cooperation with others. Practical tips. Practice empathy. Try to understand others' perspectives and show compassion. Contribute to society. Engage in actions that benefit your community and society at large. Finally, build relationships. Foster strong, positive relationships based on mutual respect and support. Part 4. Self-discipline and inner strength. Self-discipline and inner strength are crucial for maintaining a tranquil mind and achieving personal growth. Aurelius advocates for controlling one's desires and emotions. Practical tips. Set personal boundaries. Define and maintain personal limits to protect your well-being. Control desires. Practice moderation in all things and avoid overindulgence. Finally, develop inner strength. Cultivate resilience by facing challenges head-on and learning from them. Part 5. The role of reason and philosophy. Reason and philosophy are essential tools for navigating life. Aurelius believes that by applying philosophical principles, we can live in accordance with nature and achieve inner peace. Practical tips. Study philosophy. Regularly read and reflect on philosophical texts to gain wisdom. Apply rational thinking. Approach problems logically and calmly, using reason to guide your decisions. Finally, live naturally. Align your actions with your true nature and the principles of the universe. Did you read this book? What did you think about it? Let us know in the comment, we would love to know. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to receive our book recommendations, book reviews, and more. Share the love of reading on our Instagram and TikTok pages. See you.